Yeah. So you wanna eat something. I have a proper delicious recipe. Okay, so now you only saw that my sister is feeling hungry. So by the way, hey guys, welcome back to DIY Best Manvita. And right now you saw my sister feeling hungry. So today I'm going to show you also a yummy delicious recipe. So without any hesitation, let's get started. So the ingredients you need is kakra and mayo. I hogged so much, so there's little. A plate for serving and a spoon, and then cheese cubes or any cheese with grated, and then few chopped tomatoes. I took half chopped tomatoes only, so it depends on how much tomatoes you want. I know they are raw tomatoes and many of you may or may not like it, but raw tomatoes with this recipe is epic. So let's get started. So let's take a kakra. Okay, don't burn the value. Okay, got it. No, never mind. This is the kakra. Then we need a spoon for taking down mayo. Oops, not too much. Shit. Rub it in here. Oops, oh no, it's okay. So I took the piece away. Come on, fall. And then rub. Now we are done with the mayonnaise. You can keep it aside if anyone wants to lick it. And now let's take 2 tomatoes and then keep it on them. On it, I mean. Okay. And then Okay, now the tomatoes are done. The last and final thing, the main and the delicious part, grate the cheese. Okay, wait. Why isn't it coming out? Okay, wait. By the time, let's just put the mayo on. Okay, with my hands so that it's easier. Then we are done. If you want, you can add also more tomatoes. Few. And then we just need 1 cube. So let's take the cube. My favorite part. Okay, let me just open it. It came out finally. Okay, come on, come fast, I'm starving. Don't want it to be, yeah. Let's grate it. Grate, Mari. Great. Okay, wait a second. Let's see here. Done. Okay, this way. Done. I know you all are gonna love this recipe. Okay, wait a second. Let's just keep them on it. Okay, let's put a little more. For a little more cheese. Okay. No. And then love cheese, especially the combination of cheese and mayo.
How much time?
Yep, almost done. They're gonna love it.
I'm so hungry.
Yep, coming. And oops, wait a second. Done. Come on, Samhita.
Wow, it's amazing.
Wanna have a taste?
Yes.
Come on.
Amazing.
You loved it? Okay, so she loved it. She hates stuff, everything I make her. Everything me, my mom, anyone's making. Finally, she ate the food, which I became so happy. So guess what? She loved it. That means I bet you will also love it too. And don't forget to give this a try. And please tell how it came out and how you liked it in the comment section below. And by the way, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe.